All right, so one of the things people don't know, Emily, and I know you know this, but part of working with a team that has the level of production that we do is, I guess I'll ask a question. Do you ever have consumers looking to hire different trades in order to get ready to sell?
All the time. Yeah, I was going to say, whether it be buyers or listings, but especially with my listings recently, I have clients that need dumpsters, paint jobs, estate sales, all that different kind of stuff. When it comes to listings, people always need contractors.
Yeah, buyers make sense too, because post-close looking to do a bunch of stuff also, right?
Yep.
Especially if it's going to be one of these sweat equity kind of improvement homes.
Totally.
One of the things I think that is a unique advantage to us is like, we've got a guy, right?
Yeah,
or a girl,
always.
right? We got a guy or girl
Always.
for just about everything, even the most wild things to like getting rodents out of the attic. I have one of those. Yeah. What other scenarios have you kind of provided consumers with referrals for?
I recently just did like a dumpster referral. That's one that I just brought up. A client was cleaning out her parents'
When you got into real estate, did you think you were going to be the plug for dumpsters?
No, but happy to be. I mean, they're great guys. They're also friendly. They were so helpful. They helped us lift some furniture over our head, which was great because it was just a bunch of little ladies trying to clean out this property. I know a lot of people on the team have been doing like estate sale stuff as well. Even just getting a property organized, especially for people who are like downsizing, people who are a little bit older. That's a huge value add I found for people.
Yeah, absolutely. Painters, bathroom people, kitchens, roofs. I mean, you name it on the house. We're kind of like the, what was Angie's List for people. And the cool thing I think is, as a part of being one of our consumers, is you get the inside track to all of these referrals just by being associated with us, which people don't even really realize that. And being a part of a group that has as many people and as many deals that we've done over time is we have a pretty vetted out vendor list. I think that's pretty powerful.
Well, and the nice thing too about being on a team, like you said, is if I don't know a guy, somebody on the team knows a guy. You know what I mean? All I have to do is go to the office or go in our little chats and just say, hey, I need somebody to change a door handle or get rid of a hornet's nest or something like that. Does anybody know a guy? And we have a big team, lots of people always working. Somebody always knows somebody who's very good as well.
Yeah, and I think you touched on it. If the team doesn't have it, which is rare, right? Then we go to the 300 agents that we're in business with in the brokerage, and definitely between the 300 and some people there, it's a unique value add, and I think consumers underestimate that because not only are you getting, I always say with contractors, there's three traits to any contractor: it's price, it's speed, and it's quality. And people who try to chase all three get none, right? Oh yeah. And we have people that are, depending on what people are looking for, we have people that fit in that box, right? Usually we don't recommend people that can't do quality. So that one's always, it's just whether or not the quality's there, it's just speed or price. And that we kind of vary on, and depending on what the consumer's looking for, we then place the right contractor with them, right?
Well, yeah, and I think with a lot of people, whether, like I said, kind of circling back to buyers, like if they're doing an improvement project on their home and maybe it's their first time owning a home, they probably don't know somebody who's very good at doing these jobs, and it can be kind of overwhelming to find somebody who actually does good work. Yeah,
it's like a trust bridge from us too, because they represent us. Just this morning, an agent in the office needed someone to finish a basement, and I sent the guy who did our last flip, right? So perfect example. So anyways, if you're interested in one of the advantages of working with the Delia Group and working with Keller, Paint Creek, Somerset, and Central is we do have a very vetted out vendor list that we all get to lean on. And these are truly professionals in their space that live up to the standards that we have within our organization. So go ahead, reach out. We'd love to chat with you. Thanks.